of life with someone I don't wish to.
I will make sure that you marry that girl, and I shall move mountains to get you all the protections and revenge that you need.
What desire, someone I really love, my true love.
Katechi has practically refused all the maidens in this village. Someone to marry the prince should not be seen in the company of others and at odd hours.
Tell Oketechie he has to be a full-grown man before he ascends the throne.
Please, Nana. I want the prince of our kingdom to marry my daughter.
True love, she's my heart desire. My lover, my soul, my heart, my everything.
Poma, did you fetch water or air for me?
Okay. You are by the riverside, so what stops you from fetching for me to drink?
She's my everything, the one I lean on. Without her, I'm nobody, my throne is nowhere.
The feeling was very strong.
Don't tell me you are falling in love.
Why have you invited the wrath of the gods upon the royal house?
It's about the death of the prince on his journey.
I'm in my confused as to what to do. Can someone help me to decide?
Alonyina has fallen. A very great Kankantum tree has fallen. And I must move quickly.
Fem needs something that is taken from the body of Ketechi. To you is not my concern.
Kill him now. I say now. Kill him for me.
The prince is alive.
He is dead, for God's sake. Tell Nana and his elders that I shall not come and tell them lies about Oketechie.
Wait and wait, and he does not come. Then call me.